maintains a tenuous lead. Will he keep it? Who will ultimately survive and conquer the Iron Giant? Find out this and more when we return to the 2005 Enduro at Ezberg. Now, the Iron Giant has already claimed its share of victims, and the battle for first's not far behind. Winding through Ezberg's forest section, Pastrana is being stalked at every turn by Knight. Pastrana extends his short lead, only to have Knight close the gap. Knight closes the gap to within inches, only to have Pastrana slip away again. For over a mile of this wooded terrain, this game of cat and mouse is played out. Until finally, Knight boxes in his quarry and lunges in for the kill. Knight's done it. By passing Pastrana, he has only the Iron Giant left to defeat. Relentless in his charge, he attacks the Iron Giant with a fury never seen before at Ezberg. He has only the staircase to traverse before entering Carl's diner. And he clears them with ease. Uha Salmian, now in second, is chasing Knight with only limited success. And Pastrana, now in third, desperately chases the leaders into Ezberg's most demanding section. And now we get to it, the toughest section on the course. Carl's Diner is open for business. First customer, David Knight. Uha Salmian arrives at the diner to find Knight just up ahead. Midway through, David Knight finds himself between a hammer and an anvil, with the sea of boulders on one side and Uha Salmian on the other. The slightest mistake could cost him the lead. Further back on the course, Ezberg finishes off race favorites Christian Pfeiffer and Jade Gutseat.
It was dusty and following the guys, and it was just a dangerous place that if you didn't see it, you would just go straight off like a big cliff drop thing. Luckily, it was not big rocks; it was sand, but it was high. It was about a 10-meter drop down into the sand, so I just threw my motorbike, and there's other guys lying there as well. It's chaos.
Both riders were forced from the race. Gutseat with a broken knee and Pfeiffer with a separated shoulder. Back at the diner, Uha Salmian is finding it difficult to continue, and he has lost a significant amount of time to David Knight. And he is not the only one. Number 24, Travis Pastrana, has entered the diner. He's now in 5th place. Pastrana, no longer in contention for the win, desperately clings to the hope of just finishing. Knight is passing through the last rock section, dealing blow after blow to the Iron Giant. Pastrana is forced off his bike for the first time. Will it be the last? Knight blasts up a nearly vertical rock face with seemingly no effort, while Pastrana suffers the torments that only this race can inflict. Bernd Hupfloff looks on in disbelief as his bike goes up in smoke. David Knight takes off on his last leg of his unbelievable journey. Ralf Scheidehauer charges on with dreams of making it to the podium. And Travis Pastrana redoubles his effort to stay in the race. David Knight, a resident of the Isle of Man, is no stranger to rugged terrain as he demonstrates in his fierce rock sections. Pastrana is forced to dismount his bike for the final time. While Knight gets his first glimpse at the finish line below, Travis Pastrana is forced from the race with mechanical problems, a valiant effort from a brilliant rider. He's done it. David Knight has only one more obstacle to negotiate before conquering the Iron Giant. After only an hour and 20 minutes, World Enduro Champion David Knight astonishes the crowd with a win on his first attempt at Ezberg.
I came here to win. I've seen it on TV for many years, and I just think one day I want to do this race, and for sure I came here to win, and I win, but it's very difficult.
Second place went to Juha Salminen of Finland, 20 minutes behind Knight.
Last year, of course, it was rainy and was wet condition, but it was nothing compared to this heat, and I knew that new stone section this year was incredible bad. So. I think it was the hardest Ezberg.
I think it's awesome, David, winning first time here. I mean, this is, how difficult it is out there, and to come here first time and go this speed and beat Juha by this distance, unbelievable.
Third place finisher Ralf Scheidehauer seemed happy just to finish the race. After 35 kilometers of rocks, trees, hills, and heat, the guys are ready to celebrate. Don't go anywhere. The Iron Giant is far from finished.